Hamburgers and marketing. So imagine a contest. It's a hamburger contest. And it's who can eat the most hamburgers. One guy wolfs down hamburger after hamburger as fast as he can. Another guy slowly cuts each hamburger into small pieces and eats one piece at a time, slowly chewing on it before moving on to the next piece. Who wins? Answer: the guy who cuts his burgers into small pieces. Why? The guy who wolfs down hamburgers soon becomes stuffed and his mind and stomach go into overwhelm. He's going to quit early and lose. The guy who cuts up each burger into small pieces can digest everything in front of him. His mind is not overwhelmed by the stack of hamburgers in front of him. The same is true in internet marketing. Overwhelm stops 98% of those who start. Failure is the norm, not the exception. That's why Anthony Morrison and I created the 14-day challenge. For 14 days, you spend 5 minutes a day working on your business. Small, bite-sized pieces. Easy to digest. No overwhelm. Only minutes a day. And the challenge is absolutely free. To get started, click on the link below. We'll see you in the challenge.